all doing this morning? Hope you guys are doing great. So it's Thursday morning and today is our street market day, and we have appointment this morning. It's 8:30 right now. We have appointment this morning. I have to go and change our daughter. Then after that, I'll go and take appointment for my daughter for the COVID-19. She have to take the vaccine. So they say from her school she have to take it. So I'm going to take an appointment for her, and then we head that to the street market. I'm going to get one or two for my boy. She have a lot of top, but she don't have pants. So I'm going to get some pants and get some fruits for the house as well. That is what we are going to do today. So I just want to pick you guys along. Let's go, guys. Okay, I will tell you more about the COVID-19 when we get outside. Okay. So guys, we are already outside. Yeah, I'm already outside. I'm walking. I'm going with my boy. So we are just here. So about the COVID-19. So I was really scared of this while to go and take the vaccine for my daughter. As in, I'm scared now. I've taken everything. I know the pain I felt while I took that vaccine. The first one, I felt pain in my hands. The second one that I sick, I was almost down for all day. I could not walk, do anything. But I don't just know how my daughter is going to react to it. So I was scared. So I decided not to give it to her. So their school have to say, okay, now she's above 12. She can go and take the vaccine this time, except if she have to be doing the tapone. I don't really know what tapone called in English anyway. If you have to be doing the tapone on tour, which is 48 hours, which is 2 days. No, she have to take the vaccine instead of that. It's better. Okay. All right, people. We are heading out. Let me show you this fine road before we go straight head to our appointment. This place is so fine. I love it. During the summer, I normally come here to sit down, just relax and watch cars by. Even my son loves to run around this road.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced.
So guys, we are through from the appointment. I've changed our doctor here. Changed to another doctor because the one we have before, she's no longer there. She's old. She's going on a pension. Yes, is it pension? Yes, it's pension. So that's why I have to change it. So now we are heading to take the pharmacy to take the vaccine appointments for my daughter. Yes, they say you can take it on Nabia even if she's not there. I'm going to take it for her. Then we head to the street market. So guys, I wanted to go and take the appointment. They said she can go there like that without appointment because I believe I took appointment on my own. We just leave the pharmacy. That's the pharmacy over there. My time I took the appointment, but I believe because she's a baby, she's not supposed to take the appointment. She have to just go there like that and take the vaccine. So maybe by this weekend, if she's back on Friday, I will just take her there. Then I will see her reaction during the weekend. I mean, so that she will not go to school and we have to watch over her that day. Guys, I'm afraid though. I don't know why, but I'm just afraid. The story we are hearing on the internet, this, that, that's this. So scary anyway. So what do we have to do? We can't fight the law. The law is already there. It's there. Can't do otherwise. Let's just take it and see. Today weather is so fine. This sun, I just like this weather. Hey, we are to the street market, guys. Here we are here. Let me show you people the market today. I have to put on my mask. All these juices are so fine. So, let me see properly here. Like this black one, so strange. ¿Cuánto? Venti così tanto. Madam, oh, we got here. So guys, we are here to buy fruit. Ciao. Ciao, Zingali. Panina. Sì, uno. Un chilo. Fragola.
Me ne fa 3 kg.
1 chilo. Uno per di banana.
Cosa fa, video? Chi è?
So guys, we are through from the market. We are going back home. My young man is angry. The verse. Maybe he's hungry this time. It's 12 o'clock already. Must have been hungry by now. Time for lunch. Let me show you his face. Oh, he's hungry. Dragging the stick with me. He's always like, always want to hold the stick himself. So I will show you wherever we got from the market, the fruits, the pants I said I will buy for my son, which are some things I got for myself and my daughter. I'm going to show you guys when I go home. Okay?
You like the sound? It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify, and when it's real, you don't have to try. Another way, tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
So guys, we are back home. I've washed all my fruits, my berries. I put them into the freezer because I'll be using all of them for smoothies. That's why I arrange them together like that and put them to the freezer. Each time I want to use them, I'll just pick one and use a blend. I'm okay to get. Sometimes I add banana to it. Sometimes I add a pear to it. So sometimes I add kiwi to it. Sometimes I have different fruits. I will just be mixing them with different fruits. So that we do that. But me and my daughter will like smoothies a lot. So I've shown you the clothes with the pants which I bought for my son, and they have given him food too. It's past 1 already. I've given him food, so I really want to talk about this before this video go up. I believe this video will be coming up on Saturday. Yeah, this video will be coming up on Saturday. So if you know you are in Europe and you have been in several friendship, you say we are no longer friends. It's not my friend. We are denying each other. Do you know the reason why those friendships don't last in Europe? It's because we are selfish to ourselves. Yes, we are selfish. We prefer to be the receiving end. We don't like to give. That is friendship in Europe. You see, when we have a friend that is always there for us, making everything for us, even displeases ourselves to please us, we take advantage of that person. We don't want to do same for that friend too. I've observed it in several friends. Yeah. I know in friendship they say one is above, one is always higher than one. But when the higher one is always being the one doing, giving our time to you, making sacrifice for you, you that is always receiving, why don't you return sending to that person? That is the reason friendship break out. Because if I'm the one coming to your house, paying you a visit always, I always come to your house, you don't even know where I live, you don't even know the address where I live, then I will stop visiting. I prefer to stay on my own. Since I'm seeing you as my friend, you are not seeing me the way I'm seeing you. So I will stay at home. I will not pay you visit anymore. So that is the reason friendship of this Europe don't last. Yes, that is the reason. You know, in Nigeria we can arrange things, go together, we pay each other a visit. Everybody goes to this one and goes to your house. We're just like that. And in Nigeria, you know, I have seen a friend who was fighting because that's my hey boy. So I've seen a friend who was fighting because of her friend. Yes. But in Europe, who go fight for you? Never have to fight for yourself. You talk say now you want to fight for. So that is all I was saying. We should not always be the receiving end. We should also make ourselves available for our friend who is always there for us, who is always giving to our time to us, who is always making everything available. For each time you call, she's there for you. But are you there for that friend? That's why we complain. We don't have friends in Europe. Yes, we don't have friends in Europe because people we make friends with are not there for us. That is the truth. They are not always there for us. Just like I'm married, you married. You have a kid, I have a kid. So sometimes I have to displease my own self just to please you as my friend. But you can't do same for me. That friendship you are cleaning. That is the reason our friendship don't last here. So that is my 2% I really want to say about this friendship. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Yeah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.